This is DoDo quiz. Are you ready? Let's go. Round 1. Guess the meme by the emoji.
I look like a Minecraft dirt bug. I died right here.
Do you know what this meme is? This is Minecraft dirt block meme.
I look like a Minecraft dirt bug. I dyed my hair green to prove to you guys.
Move on to round 2. Try to guess what this meme is. Can you guess the meme from these emojis? This is to meet Isho Speed with Ronaldo. Sui.
I love you, bro.
How much money does Ronaldo have? $400, $500, or $600 million? Ronaldo has $500 million in 2023. Round number 3. Be sure to subscribe and watch the video to the end.
Hey, bro. What?
Oh my!
This guy has a really nice voice, isn't it? This is Oh My God meme.
Hey, bro. What?
Oh my God!
Round number 4. Are you ready?
Skibidi dop 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 dop. Yes, yes, yes.
Probably everyone knows his clothes. This is Skibidi Yes Yes.
Skibidi dop 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 dop. Yes, 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 yes. Stip, skibidi dip, stip.
Now play a game. Choose your gift. Think carefully about what gift to choose. It can be terrible. Which box will you choose? This time 2 gifts are not very good. And this is round number 5. Guess the meme by the emoji. Who is a wrestler in headphones and still dancing? Put like, subscribe to the channel, watch till the end. This is John Cena. Round number 6. Guess the meme. Well, here, I think you can easily guess from the emoji. This is Galaxy Brain meme. Little quiz. What is the Skibidi Twal episode? 10, 24, or 19 episode? Write in the comments, do you like Skibidi Toilet? And this is episode 24 of Skibidi Toilet. Next round. Are you ready? Guess the meme by the emoji. Have you seen how Isho Speed barks? It's fun. Round 8. So, what do we have next? Well, this meme, I think you can guess. This is Skibidi Toilet movie. Would you like to meet it? Think carefully before answering. What would you do if you met a Skibidi toilet?
Yes, put dispenser. Oh, vanish. Put DoDo. Yes, put dispenser. Oh.
Round number 9. Watch attentively. Soccer ball, winks, and drinks a cocktail. I think you've seen it and can guess. Who is this? It's Ronaldo. Next round. Try to guess now. I would call this meme when I quit my job. This is Bully Maguire dance. Write in the comments which memes do you like more, with Isho Speed or with Skibidi Toilet. Let's keep going. Round number 11. Listen carefully. A man with a mustache and a very funny laugh. Who is this? This is El Risitas. Round number 12. Guess the meme. Did you guess this meme? It's Dancing Crab. Now find 5 differences. Look carefully, it's a tough round. It is here. Did you guess right? Round number 13. Guess the meme by the emoji. Who is this? This is Cat vibing to Live and Polka. Round number 14. Guess next meme. If you guess right, write in the comments which version do you like more. Find the wrong cast emoji. Search carefully, there is not much time. It is here. Did you guess right? And what meme will we have in round 15? Listen.
早上好，中国！现在我有冰淇淋。
Who is this? You know? This is John Cena eats ding chilling.
早上好，中国！现在我有冰淇淋，我很喜欢冰淇淋。
Round number 16. What's the meme? Strong and big, who is this? Right answer is The Rock. What is The Rock real name? Darren Johnson, Mark Johnson, or Dwayne Johnson? Right answer is Dwayne Johnson. Round number 17. Guess next meme.
Please, God, you can't do this to me! No, I didn't do that!
And this is new meme. This is Grimace Shake.
Please, God, you can't do this to me! No, I didn't do that! I didn't do any of that!
Find the real photo of Wednesday. It is on the right. And finally, I left you a very funny video.
Be quiet, Moxie. Shut.
Put like, subscribe to the channel and watch the next video. This is Isho Speed and Robot Moxie.
Be quiet, Moxie. Fuck up.